Alrighty folks, welcome back to another video from Yates Computers Tips and Reviews. So go ahead and head on over, hit the subscribe, come on back, finish watching this video. For this I'm going to take a little detour from usually what I've been doing because I've been reviewing products from a certain site, have a certain site's review there. Trying to give them a fair, honest review of its Temu and some of the products that I've bought, some of the products that I've bought in other places, some of the other things that are out there. So a lot of this is going to be an unboxing, showing you the full product, showing you what it is, what it looks like, if there's any flaws, any issues with them. Anything that you're aware of, should be aware of the products you actually buy from them. Because the problem I see is everybody wants to compare their product to the big name brand product out there. I don't believe their product is the big name product out there. Theirs is a lower quality, a lower grade product. There's a lot of things that's okay on. There's a lot of things it's not okay on. Computer products, I would say no. That's not okay. I've had quite a few hard drives and other things of the lower quality brands come through that I've tested, and I get weird results, weird slowdowns, I mean, they functioned okay for typical standard use, but would I trust them? Would I recommend them to somebody? Because you can save $10 by buying that product compared to another product. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth saving the $10 to take that kind of concern. Unless you are really diligently doing your backups, making sure you have enough to recover all in case you have an issue. Then yeah, you're spending your due diligence, but you're spending a lot of money to make sure if you have that issue that you're covered. So one of the first products that I've bought, I've gone to a Renaissance fair and they have these 3D printed dragons. Everybody should know what a 3D printer is now. You know, it's plastic, prints different shapes and all these type of things. So you've probably seen it up here on my desk. It's been here for a couple years probably now, up here on the desk. It was over here, it's moved around a little. So they had another one, dirt cheap, like $3, whatever it was. Basically, looks the same, different colors, head's a little different, but it's 3D printed. I mean, something like this, I think is perfectly fine of a product to buy from them. So, this was my review for this product. So you can actually see these. I'm sure you've seen these in the stores. This is the size they have. That's a bigger size, as you can tell. But I wanted to go through and do a short little review of each of these little products, because they have a lot of things on their site. Not just the stuff you'll see. I'll be doing lots of little weird products. And this is going to be this little series on the different products. So again, hit subscribe, come back, watch the next video so that you're aware. There's also videos out, a full website video on their merchandise and their website, the marketing and all of that type of stuff. And I gave them a really low review. Go watch that video and understand the concerns of this site and other things related to shopping online. Thank you so much for watching. Stick around for the next videos.